going to try to shoot these 2 energy juice cans from 70 yards. Shooting position is back there on that stump. And shooter's position, I've got the Savage Model B22 22 bolt action rifle. Got an SWFA scope on it, it's 10 power. Here's the can. Looks like I missed. It was sitting like this. I'm thinking I hit the concrete right below it. See a little dent right here. Maybe one in there, and indentations from the concrete here. That's probably from the expansion exit out the back there. Looks like the top. That would have been the top back. One end maybe skipped off the concrete and then back up. I'm shooting at a slight downward angle, so that makes some sense. See, the can was sitting like this. It looks like the round might have impacted right there because there's some part of the can embedded in there. See some orange on this aluminum here, so that's part of the can. Okay, next one I'm just going to aim for the center. That way if I'm a little bit off, I still hit the top surface hopefully. Okay, second can was just on the low corner, low and to the right. A lot of indents from the concrete. Looks like it bounced off the concrete and came out the back again.